Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day along with my stock future trades. So let us analyze the results of the previous stock future trades given on my WhatsApp broadcast. So let me just show you guys what were the trades that I have done and I have shared with my WhatsApp subscribers. So as you can see, yesterday I said that we'll go long in Aurobindo Pharma if the stock trades about 657.48 near closing, and I confirmed that I am going long in Aurobindo Pharma. Apart from that, I also mentioned that I am going short in Ambuja Cement as well. So let us see what has the result been for this particular stock. So as you guys can see, Ambuja Cement gave us a profit of 1,125 rupees. Aurobindo Pharma gave us a profit of 2,400 rupees, but there was a loss of around 800 rupees yesterday. So if you add it up, we can say that we have made around 3,000 rupees. 2500 sort of rupees in today's particular trade in Aurobindo Pharma and Ambuja Cement. So 3,300 rupees and 900 rupees yesterday's loss. So now uh, I can see what I'm trying to suggest is that the Aurobindo Pharma, the trade that we have taken did not went exactly as we predicted. So let me just share the rationale with you. So as you guys can see, Aurobindo Pharma. So we expected the stock to open on a gap up note, but let us see what happened today. So as you guys can see, just a second, the stock did open on a lower side, gap down. The stock opened lower side and finally was able to trade on a higher side, but we were able to hold on to this particular trade because we can see the bullish crossover. So and we can see the bullish crossover and there was a strength, and then we did make sure that the stock should go higher. So if you see my WhatsApp, just let me just show you guys. So this is today. As I said, square up the position if opened in profit. So Aurobindo Pharma hold with a spot stop loss of 648.50. Then I said my position. So Ambuja Cement we covered off, and there was a loss of around 4,000 rupees in Aurobindo Pharma, which reduced to 1,800 rupees. And then at 928 I said square of Aurobindo Pharma, and as you can see, finally we were able to make 2,400 rupees after having loss of 4,000 rupees. We were able to hold on to our position, and that confidence only came only because we were able to analyze option chart data. There was a bullish crossover in the stock, and there was our reading that the stock has been receiving a rejection at a lower level, and that was the only rational. So what I'm trying to suggest is, guys, not each and every trade will give you straightforward results. So you need to hold on to your particular trade, and then only you will be able to make money in the stock market. Now what I feel is the Aurobindo Pharma has a still has a potential to go on a upside. So though we have not added this particular stock, but I still feel that the stock has a potential to go on a upside with a potential target of around 663 rupees. I think there is a rejection of higher values today. I think it will be filled by tomorrow in tomorrow's particular trading session. So that was our result for what we have taken. So one was a bearish trade, one was a bullish trade. On both the sides we were able to make money. Now let us analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty, and after that I am going to tell you why we have created a stock position in Gail and a long position in Gail, and what are the rationale for it. So I'm going to share you the complete rationale with you in a bit. So as I have been saying in my previous video and the past couple of videos, that the market has gone quite high, and now you can see some sort of pause that should come in the market. So as you can see, there is some sort of doji pattern, however not a clear cut doji pattern, but there has been rejection of prices at a higher side, rejection of prices at a lower side. So after generating a good sort of bullish move, now you can see there has been some sort of uncertainty in the market. Further, you can see that the CCI is also stalling at a high level. The MACD is forming a sort of bearish crossover after successfully breaking the previous resistance, and the RSI has is also trading at a resistance near resistance level. Now to confirm the trade, what we need to see is the Nifty should trade below this particular level 11,470. It should trade below this particular level. If this happens, you can go short with a stop loss of the opening price, which is 11,070, and with a target of potential target of 10,998. And if 10,998 gets broken, I think the straight away target could be 10,912. However, lots of thing depends on the technical indicators and the option chart data. So this is a provisional analysis, and I will be confirming my analysis if you are with me on my WhatsApp broadcast. So if you see the option chart data for the Nifty, what I can see is call long is getting covered in. I can see that the call longs are getting covered in this particular session, and the call writing has now started to get generated. So I can see the maximum call writing has happened at a level of 11,150. So in tomorrow's trading session, if you see that 11,150 is again witnessing a call writing with a higher volume and a higher change in open interest, you can definitely expect that there has been immediate cap is placed at this bull move around 11,150 sort of level. Now if you analyze the put data, you can see that there has been a continuous forming of a bullish position near higher level like 11,000 to 11,150. Strike prices has seen a good sort of change in open interest toward stability to bullishness, and a lower strike prices by what I mean by lower strike prices, 10,500 to 10,950 has seen a put long coverage, so which is also suggesting a bullish move. So there is a contradictory position between call and put participants, and the option activity range is now 10,500 to 11,000 1200. So that was the analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting, and then I will come back to my analysis of Gail. So option activity range for the Nifty Bank is uh, just a second, let me find out the Nifty Bank. So the option activity range for the Bank Nifty is 27,000 to 28,000. So quite a huge sort of option activity range what we are observing. Now if you analyze the option data for the call side, I can see the fresh bullish position is formed near 27,600 to 28,000, and uh, on a put side I can see a good sort of put writing at a 27,800 level, and on a lower strike prices I can also see a put writing has been happening. On a call side, on a lower strike prices I can see that the call short covering has been happening. So again Nifty is suggesting a bearish move, but the Bank Nifty is still suggesting a sort of bullishness as far as the option chart data is concerned. Now let us analyze the candlestick pattern and the moving averages, and let us come up with some sort of analysis and what it is suggesting. So as I just told you, in the Nifty you can see a sort of a doji in the Bank Nifty as well. So as I said, if you see the market price trades near 27,217, you can go short with a target of about 27,080, and with a stop loss of about 27,315. If this particular level gets broken, you can definitely expect a target of 26,800 gradually. Now we need to confirm the analysis with the forming of fresh position in the option chart data tomorrow and the technical indicators. But as far as the MACD is concerned, MACD is sort of suggesting a bearish crossover yet to get confirmed. RSI is already trading at a resistance level, so I can see that you will definitely expect some sort of some sort of pause in this particular rally. Now that was the analysis for the Bank Nifty. Now let us see what was the rationale of going long in this kind of unpredictable kind of market in Gail. So you can see that the Gail has generated good gains today. Now still we have gone long in this particular stock, and I'll suggest my rationale to you guys. So let me just first share my WhatsApp broadcast with you. So just a second guys, it takes a time to load sometimes. So as you can see at 1 p.m. today I said add Gale to your future, add Gale future to your watch list, and I said that will go long near closing if spot prices trades above 484. So let us see, and as I said I did go long. I'll also show you my position. So as you can see I have gone long in Gale, at 487 is my prices, and the prices went quite down then came up. So there was some sort of buying at a lower level as far as the resistance of the prices in the lower level is concerned. So the losses once after grading the position accelerated to 32,000, but 3,200, but again it came back to minus 200. So I think the Gale has a potential to go up on a higher side, and how much up I am expecting, I'll also sell it. So as you can see, the stock went down quite nicely, finally broke its 89 days exponential moving average, and next day opened lower and finally was able to break above 39 days exponential moving average. This particular candle, you can see, has been a formation of a bullish crossover with a good sort of divergence, and with this particular bullish crossover the stock has broken its 8 days simple moving average, 8 days exponential moving average, 13 days exponential moving average, 34 days exponential moving average, and that and 55 day exponential moving average. And apart from that, the stock has also tried to go on a very high side near 494 level, but the higher prices was rejected. Now what I feel is there has been a good sentiments towards the buying side. As you can see, the CCI is also trying to come into positive zone, and the break of exponential average can see a good gain on a high side. MACD is also generating a bullish crossover in a negative zone. The RSI, let me just share the RSI analysis with you. As you can see, the RSI has been facing resistance on a high side. This was the first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and finally went down again, tried to come up, and now it is again trading at a resistance sort of level. But I feel now this level should get broken, and we should observe a good sort of gain in tomorrow's trading session. Now the target, what I feel is this rejection of a higher prices that has happened today should get filled, and that is only my only the target that I'm expecting. So 494 is what we are expecting, but as we have seen, my strategy, that what we are do is, if the stock opens in profit and we are getting 2,000 to 4,000 rupees profit, we don't wait and we book the profit. So you can also do that, but I feel the stock at a good potential to go on a high side. So that's it for the today's video, guys. Whatever the trade I take, be it a profit or it loss, I am always going to share it with you. And as you have been observing, whenever I take a trade, I not only suggest the rationale, I also try to suggest the reason and the levels why I feel that the particular level should come, along with the analysis of moving average, technical indicators like RSI, MACD, and the option chart data. So I share my position day ahead with the rationale, and then I also share the result to you guys. So that sort of transparency will be maintained, and this will be maintained 100%, and it will continue. So if you like to learn more of these things, you can always refer to the description of this video, where you will find the entire playlist which I have created, in which you will get the details about how to analyze option chart data, what is the call, what is put, how to analyze the moving averages, how to use moving averages, what are the technical indicators that you should be using. So entire system is there. Once you learn it, make sure you practice it enough before trying to make money in the market using this same strategy. And as I said, I'm not a CB registered technical analysis, but whatever the trades so far I have taken, I have always each and every trade has been shared in the YouTube upfront. So if you want to check, you can always check my YouTube videos. It will be around 3 to 400 videos of Nifty and Bank Nifty and stock trading suggestion that I have shared with you guys. So that's it for the today's video, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and if you have any comment, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. Thank you.